The Schluter shelf, with its sleek design, can be used both inside the shower and out. In bathrooms, kitchens, or any tiled wall application. The shelf is the perfect mix of style and function. The shelves are made of 5 32/2 thick brushed stainless steel. A variety of shapes and configurations are available. Schluter SHELF-N fits the prefabricated Schluter KERDI-BOARD-SN shower niche. The shelf is available in a rectangular shape and offered in 2 styles. It is designed to coordinate with the curve and floral styles found in KERDI drain and KERDI line drain grates. It is installed in conjunction with the tiles. In this video, we'll show you how to install the Schluter SHELF-N. Let's get started. Install the tile up to the joint where the shelf will be placed. Place the shelf on the tiles with the rounded edges facing the inside of the niche. We've buttered the tile edges with thin-set mortar to aid in seating and leveling the shelf. Install the remainder of the tile. You can use painter's tape on the shelf when grouting if desired. After the grout has set, seal the joint between the shelf and the wall tile using a suitable material. We used a clear 100% silicone in our installation. Fill the top and bottom surfaces and finish the joint. We used a caulking tool, but other methods may be used as well, depending on installer preference. The installation of the SHELF-N is now complete. Allow the sealant to set before using the shelf. Schluter shelf, a convenient accessory that offers style and function for tiled walls.